Blessings peeps. So today guys we go back down to the Fonthill Fording where we heard that persons have to be paying like $500 to be taken across the river for someone to assist them to go across the river. Trust me guys, that video interesting and the code them back me up one at a time too guys. Anyway, roll intro.
I do not have a crazy story to tell, like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and traveled the world. I'm just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey. Let me show you what I accomplish. I am Alex and this is Elite Jamaica.
I'm on a joint out yesterday, man. It's a man catch him, and the man too put the pant up on the water, and I have a bag of plant and all.
Yeah man, Jay they are Trinity Ville up for the camera, you know. You see, say me out the road like that. I put on makeup and everything, but yeah, out the road you go. Elite Jamaica, walk with me. Jay represent.
Every time.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.
Yeah peeps, that a Jay forward. Body. See this now, cow in the road, and you know me and cow stay. And me don't know what to do right now because them not move. So I just wait till they move. I do like my dad China, worship the cows, have patience with the cows. That one they look like you want running out the car door, afraid of cow now. Alright peeps, I'm gonna get through. Yeah peeps, I saw down here to stay now. I'm not sure what happened, but I saw it look.
Has been sadly recorded. Going away with no word, but there be no trace.
Oh, brother.
Yep, down a Fonthill cross the state. It's like a Marant Bay with them now. Where you come cross? Where you come cross? Yeah peeps, so this are the This is the Trinity Ville Morant Beer. We actually there Morant Beer right now. You see that? Morant Beer this way, you know? This is like Morant Beer in Trinity Ville. Yeah, peeps, so I'm actually going to show you guys what it's like down here at the Fonthill Fording and see if vehicles are going across or if, you know, if it's a total blackout. Seems like a lot of persons are waiting for it to be cleared so that they can get across.
Watch it out. Last night, how you gonna watch from the TV?
If I come and I say, yeah man, put a board and wear it, that that was the easy part. Good. No, you can't come on Richard. What is it? I would have put a dump it up and put the water on it. I would have tried for it. That's the time here. And the man just contact.
No, we have to say yesterday, no, man. I'm on a joint out to say yesterday, no, man. It's a man catch him, and the man put the pant up on the water, and I have a bag of plant, and now let it go in the dark.
Now let go the plant.
Now let go the plant, and the man say, yo, let go the bubble, man, come here, get it. It's the next man, I'm catch the next man again, and the man have been thinking my finger, and one, and in good, and I'm talking good, say. You must know where I go on the dark, I will, but thing I go on.
Serious thing I go on down here.
No, do you think that? Because I really think you have to on the street, you hear that?
For real, man. I don't see no CV, man, no TV,
Yes,
so we have to show
man,
it.
no, we don't see none of them people that come boy. So you come like the best.
It's like, you come down here, come like a man, be a man.
Yeah, man.
Blessed man, we are dealing with bossy. Thing proper? Alright. You see how we started the other day?
Yeah.
Pack up a hole. Yeah, man. For real, for real. There, man. Jay are doing thing over there, so.
Yo, the man took for the butterfly water, sir. And twin hole.
Yeah, peeps, so this is what is actually happening down here at the Fonthill Crossing. Everybody there here want to go mark beer, who don't want to go mark beer, want to go, but them can't get to move right now because they're waiting on the road to be fixed, like them to push out back the road. So peeps, that's a go on, alright? So do you think the road will ever be fixed where this problem is finally solved? Let me know in the comment section below. And thank you all for joining me. Y'all stay blessed.